In this video, I'm going to show us how to solve simultaneous equation using the short method, not the usual method, which are substitution and elimination method. So this method is quite a different method, so you have to pay attention. Just follow me as we do it. Now what I'm going to do is that we are going to find x before y. Alright, so when finding x, we are going to cross multiply the coefficients of y with the constants. Alright, so this is what we are going to do. Just follow me very carefully. So I'm going to have my x equals 3 times 18. So I'm going to cross multiply the coefficient of y with 18, then do the same with this. Alright, so start with 3. 3 times 18. 3 times 18. Then minus 8 times 7. 8 times 7. Then divided by, start with 3 again here. Okay, we are dividing, so cross multiply the coefficient of y with that of x, starting with 3. Alright, so we are still going to have 3 times 5 times 5. Then minus again. Bring in this minus yourself. Alright, then minus 2 times 8. 2 times 8. So 3 times 18 is 54. Minus 8 times 7. 56. 3 times 5 is 15. 15. Then minus 2 times 8 is 16. 54 minus 56 is minus 2. 15 minus 16 is minus 1. So here we end up having 2. So it means that our x is 2. Then what do you do next? You can simply substitute. Okay, don't waste your time using this method to find y. Just substitute into any of the equations. So let's substitute into equation 1. Okay, let's substitute into equation 1. We have x, 2x plus 3y equals 7. So our x is already 2. Let's substitute it here. We have 2 times 2, then plus 3 plus 3y equals 7. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3y equals 7. Then we have our 3y equals 7 minus 4. So if you bring this 4 to the right, it changes to minus. Then we have 3y equals 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. If you divide both sides by 3, you are going to have 3y equals 3 divided by 3. Eventually, y becomes 1. Y is 1. So this is a short way to solve simultaneous equation. Okay. Finally, we have our x equals 2 and our y equals 1. Thank you very much for watching. If you derive value in my video, you can please subscribe by smashing the subscribe button. For now, I wish you goodbye.